All right, so I got a new car. Well, it's not new, but it's an 89 Camaro RS. It's not an IROC, but it's got some cool upgrades. I off the top, I feel like I need to change the wheels. These are old C4 wheels from a Corvette, which I like on the Corvette, and I like it on this, but I just want something different, something more aggressive for this in particular. We got it kind of retinted. We kind of kept it the same color as it was, but we got it retinted. We got a ding out of the doors taken out. This is one of those cars, kind of like the Fox body, where I grew up seeing them, around town, and fell in love with them. Always wanted an IROC. You know what I mean? Like I said, this isn't an IROC, but I get everything and more from, what I want from the car. It looks cool as hell. I want some different wheels though. Definitely some different wheels. But yeah, let me show you what is under the hood before I get too long-winded. Just check in on my other whips real quick. LS1. It's in here pretty clean too, but this was a huge driving factor to getting this car in particular. Obviously, it's kind of got everything that we wanted to do to it. Kind of already done, some cosmetic stuff. You got to slam the hell out of these doors too. Like, you got to slam this car is like, it's a big car, and it has like, the doors are heavy, the hood is heavy, but it's cool, man. I love this body style. I think it's super aggressive. I love that. So we added the black in the bucket. I like that that look. But yeah. Okay, all right. So I'm in the process of like cleaning the vents. I gotta see if I can pop these out to clean them for real. But I'm kind of doing the outside of them right now. I'm cleaning the dashboard, just all the, I've shampooed the carpet. I put new rugs in here. I need to tuck some wires and stuff like that. Super doable. I love like cleaning up cars, and like, I take pride in it, and I really enjoy it. It's like therapeutic to me. So what I've been doing is like just kind of brushing things down in here slowly but surely. This portion of it looks way better than yesterday. I cleaned like all the dials and stuff like that yesterday. I wiped this down a little bit. I'm gonna go further into detail with this, but right now, before I stopped doing this, I was cleaning the dash, and I don't know if you can see like the dirt that's built up in the corners and just like in the steering wheel and stuff like that. Like, I'm going to get that. So this car's gonna, it's clean, but I'm gonna get all that gunk. I can't wait to do that and just clean it up even more, just to the subliminal eye. It's got an upgraded steering wheel. It's got the dash too. This is like a good dash to have as an upgrade for this car, which I love, because it looks OEM. But yeah, pretty clean. Back seat. I just want to clean it up even more and get new wheels. Yeah, man, this thing is mean. I love it. Let me set up the tripod while oh, just dropped the tripod and it hit the car. First, come on, man. Come on, man. Anyway. Come on, E. I'm gonna start the car though. good. Super good. This car's fun. It's like the perfect amount of horsepower for me. It's something super nostalgic. Very excited to get some new wheels for that. As for the Honda, dang man, I am scared as hell of this thing. I gotta just go conquer it. You see I got the drill bit right here, or to drill the screw out, because I broke this screw in there right there. So I gotta drill it out. We have the pieces right here. Gotta get them painted. Fortunately we had the pieces, but this side, oh no! That side's hurtful. That side's super hurtful. However, like I said, I got the pieces. It's just now I really need help from my boy Carter. That's what I need, a little confidence booster. You know, making sure I'm not messing this up, because that's the last thing I want to do. But there's some stuff I can figure out, other stuff where I would like to not learn in the fire, especially on a car that is this clean. Like, oh, dang, I need to start this up. I got new wheels for this as well. Even though I love these wheels, I do love the wheels, and I plan on keeping them. We'll see. But I love the wheels. I got some different ones. They're more period correct. Not that these aren't, but. Come on, Honda. Oh. Oh. Oh, I need to open some windows in this thing. Let me just turn it off. Let me just turn it off, because it's really smelly. Woo! Probably should start that more often. But yeah, that's the Camaro. Obviously the Honda's in shambles, but we're figuring that out. Yeah. Next video, me driving. See ya.